Hey everyone, so this is the third time making this video because OBS disabled my microphone the first two times. It's probably my fault, but why not? So we're going to be looking at about how you are going to pass my class. Um, I'm going to do just a really quick run through today. If you have any questions, I will gladly answer them. I'll probably do a follow-up video sometimes after we've worked out a few of the bugs. Um, Oddly enough, this is actually how I planned on grading chemistry next year already, um, but obviously desperate times call for desperate measures, and we've had to push forward everything into high gear, for all of my classes, a quarter early. We are currently looking at the physics goal sheet. I will have posted this video in all of my classes. You'll have your own versions of the goal sheet. Um, the process will be the exact same. The targets will be different. The number of boxes here might be different. So if there's any problems, if you can't translate from one to the other, just let me know. I'll help you out. Long story short, here is how you're going to pass my class now. On this sheet, there's a number of targets. Here's a target. If you can show me that you can do this target 3 times, you're done with it. No points, no tests, no grades. That's it. You show me you can do that target 3 times, you're done with it. Next target, 3 times. Next target, 3 times. Next target, 3 times. That's it. Yeah, kind of simple. No points to keep track of. Just, did I show Mr. Wimber I could do this some number of times? So, yeah. Let's go ahead and now get into some details. First off, I would like you to make your own copy of this sheet. I have posted it along with this video, but you're going to need your own copy because I actually expect you to keep track of this yourself. Now, I too will have my own sort of copy, but I want us to sort of, I want you to keep track of what you're working on, of what you're doing, especially because the way schedules are working and times are working right now. I'm getting emails from students at like 11 o'clock at night. We have to be able to work separately. So I need you to record this on your own. So the way this will work is this. Is in Classroom, there will be 2 different types of assignments from now on. The first type of assignment will be a practice assignment. Practice assignments will be labeled as such, and those are things where I do walkthrough videos, I answer questions, you sort of do them on your own time, you're welcome to talk to other people about them, you're welcome to look up online how to do some of them, it's fine by me. Those practice assignments are for you. I will not be grading them. If you don't do a single one, that will not affect your grade directly. I would highly recommend going through the practice problems. I would highly recommend making sure that you understand what's going on them, because the higher stakes questions are the other types. So after practice problems, there will be evidence problems or evidence assignments. And evidence assignments will be short, 1 problem, maybe 2 problems, 1-day assignments. Meaning I'll post them in the morning and I will close the assignment the next day. And you have that 1 day to complete the assignment. There is an exception in physical science. Physical science does have 1 longer term evidence assignment, but we'll get to that when we get to you. So you'll have an evidence assignment. You complete that evidence assignment, you turn it in to me. So let's say I posted an assignment for this target, and that assignment was called, evidence assignment target 7.1, because it's unit 7, target 1, and it was evidence assignment number 1. If you completed that assignment and you go, oh man, I nailed it, I totally know what I'm doing, record it. And that says, yeah, Mr. Wimber, I'm pretty sure I showed you that I could do this target in that assignment. And I can go back and look at my records and go, yeah, sure enough, they knew what they were talking about. Now, by the way, I don't actually need it to be perfect. Say you missed a decimal point, say you forgot a negative, say you swapped 2 little things in the problem. I might still count it. I'm not asking for perfection here. I'm asking for a reasonable amount of evidence of understanding of the material. So show me what you have, and I'll decide if it counts or not. But I also want you to decide if it counts. So you'll go, oh yeah, Mr. Wimber, I totally got this assignment right, and you record it. If you also think you got the next one right, and the next one right, so you got number 2, number 3 right, congratulations. If these all count, you're done. Now, but let's say I do post a key, I do post a video, and you go, oh my gosh, I totally blew that problem. Yeah, it doesn't count then. You'll have to go back and find another one. So your job is to complete these assignments correctly, and if it counts, that's awesome. You do not have to do every single one of them. I commit to, like, you're required to have 3 of these. I'll probably post, I don't know, 5, 6, 7 of them over the course of the next few weeks. So you'll have more than one opportunity. If you really don't know how to do one and I post an evidence assignment, try your hand at it, but don't worry about turning it in. I mean, it won't count, but if you're not comfortable with turning that in yet, it's fine. Don't turn it in. Watch me go through the problem the next day, or ask me questions about it, and I'll help you out with that as well. I will always commit to giving you more of them. So say there's a target that I've stopped posting evidence assignments for. Let me know, hey, Mr. Wimber, I need another assignment for 7.1. Done. I'll give it to you. This is a very different way of doing grades. It's a very different way of thinking about it. So I'm certain that there are going to be questions. I'm certain that there will be concerns. Please let me know. I will answer as many of them as I possibly can. And we'll make this work out. All right, so bonus though, something kind of nice, is if we do this right, you could be totally done with my class in a week, 2 weeks maybe. So, you know, more time to sit in your house and not do anything. All right, everyone, I'm gonna head out. Please let me know if you need anything. Stop by the Discord, send me a message on Classroom, or just an email. Talk to you later, guys. Stay safe.